Hi, my name is Kimberly Calderon, and I'm a science teacher in California. I would like to become a Google trainer because I think that a lot of the Google tools are being underutilized by teachers, especially as a way to communicate with both their students and their parents. My training that I recently gave to my site and that I'm going to be creating this video for is all about Google Sites and how we can use Google Sites as a very easy way to facilitate communication between teachers and parents. So here we go. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to get into your Google Drive. Once in your Google Drive, you're going to go over here and you're going to click on New. On New, we'll have to go down to More, and then fourth one down, we will find Google Sites. When we click on this, it automatically creates a site for us. So everything pops up. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we need to name our site. So we're going to do that right here. I usually like to call my sites, this is Calderon's class, because this is what my whole class is going to be going to. If you want to call it something else, it's totally up to you. It depends on how you're going to format your site. Over here is your title page. You can change your title to whatever you want. Couple of things, you can add a logo. You can change the image. We'll get into more of that later. You can change your header type. Up here at the top is where we have our different buttons. We can go back. You can see a very important feature in Sites is that all changes are automatically saved, which is huge. So you don't have to hit that save button. They automatically do that. This I right here is going to be our preview button. If you and a teacher are co-teaching and you want to share a site, you can share your site with others. We'll get to publish in a little bit. And then over here on our side, these are all the ways we can customize our site. So the first set is insert. So we can insert text boxes, images, we can upload from our computer, we can pull directly from Drive, which is amazing. We can embed YouTube, calendar, which is our main focus for today, and My Maps. And if you scroll down, it also gives you access to the different Google Docs. Well, the first thing we're going to do today is we are going to add a page. So you're going to click over here to Pages. Right now, you see you only have a home page. That's where we start. To add a page, we go down here with this, it looks like a piece of paper with a plus sign. Click that, and the first thing we do is give our page a title. I'm going to call mine Calendar, because that's what we're going to be adding on there. And then we'll click Done, and now it takes us to our page called Calendar. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to add our calendar down here. So we're going to go back over here to Insert, and then we're going to embed. So we're just going to embed our calendar. Now, whenever you make a Google Classroom, it automatically creates a Google Calendar that goes with that Google Classroom. And any assignments or due dates that you put on your Google Classroom automatically populate to a Google Calendar. So by putting our Google Calendar on our website, anytime we add something in Classroom, it adds on there. So instead of having to go back and forth, you just do it in one place, and it's automatically there for parents. So you'll have to find, I have a very large list of calendars, but you'll need to find yours for your right class period. This happens to be mine. Then I'll go down here at the bottom and I will click Insert. Then the calendar pops up on my page. Now, if you don't want agenda view, right, you have different options. You go up here to this little wheel, right, settings, and then you can change what it shows. You can show the title, the date, the different navigation buttons. But down here is where I can pick my view, and I want it to view by the week. So the kids know what is going on for that week. Then I click Done, and now I've got my week of what is happening. Now if I want to make it larger, I just grab the little button just like you would if you were editing a photo and pull it over, and it will make it as big as you want. If for some reason you decide you want to delete it, you just very easily go over here to the little trash can. Now we're going to go back to our home page because we want to customize it a little bit. So we'll go to Pages again. We just click back to Home. Now, if I have different classes, I may need a calendar for first period, second period, third period. And if all your classes are the same, then you just need the one calendar.